Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so excited for today's video and I hope you are doing awesome. In today's video, we are making gizz amada or gizz blajo or gizz brodier. This is prominently known in Nigeria as Gizdodo. If you are new here, my name is Bridget and welcome to my kitchen. I have already cleaned with my gizzard, washed them with some lemon juice. So I'm just going to cut each gizzard into two. And after that, I'll place it in my pan and I'll add the spices that I'll be using to steam it. I'm adding some chicken seasoning. I'll add some salt. I'll add some thyme powder. And I will also grate some ginger onto it. I have frozen the ginger just to keep it longer in the freezer. So I'll grate it, give it a stir, and I will not add any water to this. The gizzard is going to generate its own juice to cook this. I'll cover and set it on medium-high heat and let it come to a boil. As the gizzard is cooking, I'll be working on the vegetables that I'll be using in this recipe. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So I'll be cutting some onions into my blender. To that, I'll add my red bell pepper, some tomato, one habanero pepper. You can add as small pepper as you want. And I'm going to be blending all these and set them aside. Moving on, I'm going to be cutting some celery. I'll run my knife through it 2 times and cut them into small bite pieces. I'll do the same for my carrots, my green bell peppers, the green onions, and I'm checking on my gizzard is boiling. It's almost done. I'll cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes and it's going to be ready. In here, I have some oil in my pan. Coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. I added my chopped onions and some celery. I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes and I'll add the blended tomato mixture. I'll stir and I'm going to be cooking this for about 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes of cooking, I'll be adding my spices. I added some thyme powder, curry powder, some basil, and some chicken seasoning as well. I'll give everything a good stir and cover and let it cook some more. As our stew is cooking, I'll be working on my plantain. I understand plantains are called Dodo in Nigeria. In Ghana, it's called ablajo, amada, or a brode, depending on your area or your ethnic group that you are coming from, and many other names that I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section what is plantain called in your local language. I'll cut my plantain into bite sizes. To that, in a bowl, I'll add some olive oil. I'll add some salt and give it a stir. At this point, you can fry your plantain or blajo or dodo in oil. But now I am going to be air frying this and it's going to look just like it's been deep fried. When using the air fryer, make sure you don't overcrowd your plantains or overload the basket. So I'm going to be frying this for about 8 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll give it a stir and put it back and let it cook completely. Now it is done. I'll be air frying my gizzards as well. You can fry your gizzard in oil as well. You can deep fry it, but I just want to do everything with the air fryer. It's faster and it's going to cut down some calories from the oil. The gizzard looks beautiful, just like it's been fried without the excess oil. So now I'll add the gizzard stock to my stew, give it a stir, and also I'll add my gizzard. I'll give it a stir and let it simmer for about 3 minutes, and I'll add my plantains or ablajo or dodo or amada. That is a lot of names for blajo, right? For plantain. I've added my carrots and I'll give everything a good stir. Our meal is almost done. I'll taste for salt and I needed to add a little bit of salt, so I'll add salt and stir everything. Last, I'm going to be adding my green onions, the red rest of the real bell pepper and the scallions and give it a good stir, and our meal is ready. And I want to tell my friend, if you are here up till now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe and press the notification button so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. I serve my Gizdodo or Gizblajo or Giz Amada with some rice. You can eat this by itself just as an option for low carb, and it's amazing. See you in the next one.